Welcome to Core English.
Hey, Kate. Perfect timing. I'm literally surrounded by clothes right now.
That sounds about right. So, are you packing efficiently or are you throwing everything in and hoping for the best?
Honestly, a bit of both. I keep telling myself it's only a weekend, but somehow my suitcase is already half full.
That's because London always makes people overpack.
True. I just want to be prepared in case the weather changes, which it probably will.
Exactly. 1 minute it's sunny and the next minute it's raining sideways.
That's why I'm bringing a jacket, a scarf, and an umbrella, just in case.
Smart. What time are you leaving tomorrow?
Early. Too early. My train leaves at 6:30, so I'm setting 3 alarms.
Good idea, especially because you're not a morning person.
Hey, I can wake up early when I really have to.
Sure, but only after coffee.
Fair point.
So, what's on the plan once we get there?
Well, I was thinking we could start with a walk along the river and then maybe visit a museum if it's too cold outside.
I like that. And if the weather's nice, we could just explore and see where the day takes us. Exactly.
I don't want the weekend to feel rushed. Same here.
It's supposed to be relaxing, not stressful.
Also, I made a list of cafes I want to try because apparently London has amazing brunch spots.
I'm glad you did, because food is my top priority.
I know, but we don't have to plan every meal. Sometimes the best places are the ones you find by accident.
Agreed. Still, I refuse to leave London without having good coffee.
Honestly, I'm just excited to get out of the city for a bit.
Same. Even a short trip can feel like a real break if you change your routine.
That's so true. When you're somewhere new, you forget about emails and deadlines, at least for a while.
Until Monday comes back to remind you.
Let's not talk about Monday yet.
So, how many pairs of shoes are you bringing?
Don't judge me, but 3. For 2 days? Listen, I need walking shoes, nice shoes, and backup shoes. Of course you do. Meanwhile, I'll probably bring 1 pair and regret it later. I just hope everything goes smoothly because I really need this break.
It will, and even if something goes wrong, we'll laugh about it later.
That's true. As long as we're together, it'll be fine.
Did you book the hotel already?
Yes, and it's right in the city center, which means we can walk almost everywhere.
Perfect. That saves time and money.
Exactly, and it gives us more freedom.
All right, I'll let you finish packing, but try not to bring your entire closet.
No promises. I'll see you tomorrow morning, bright and early.
I'll bring coffee, lots of it.
You're officially my favorite person.
I know. Sleep well, traveler.
You too. London, here we come.